Neat. Clean and orderly. Her handwriting is very neat. He keeps his room neat and tidy. The kitchen was neat after she finished cleaning. She dressed in a neat and professional manner. The garden was neat and well maintained.